the leaves and the branches. It's like fall here. Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new episode of the vlog. It's Saturday, it's raining. We're gonna go thrifting, so I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's head out. Oh, someone's calling me. Okay, let's head out and I'll see you guys at the store. Literally fall came like a little late. Like it's winter now, but fall finally hit. Look at that. Alright guys, we are inside. Just taking a look at the handbag. There's a coach right here. 15. This Betsyville. 9 West. There's a Vince Camuto right here. And this one is $25. I like the little tassels on it. Let's see what's over here. This one is Garnet Hill. Oh my gosh, you guys, check out what I just spotted. I am pretty sure that it's not real. It's a pretty good replica, but something about it. There's no. Oh no, there is. Oh wait, there is a number in here. Oh my gosh. I know this is definitely the older style, because the newer one has another little zipper here, and it doesn't have this pocket here anymore. So. Oh my gosh, well this is an exciting find. This is really cute. Let's see what other goodies we can find here today. There's a Mikowski. This one's $25. Oh my gosh, sparkles. It kind of looks like Gucci. It's crazy that you can see like so many different styles that like kind of look like other styles, if you know what I mean. Leather. B Boop. It's like a Louis Vuitton and Dooney and Burke all rolled into one. Forever 21 bag. This is not a Coach. It says like code or something inside. Here's a B. Mikowski. You guys, check out these Tory Burches. They're super cute. They're $20. There's also this Coach bag. Can you see how it's like pink right here, and then it's not? It's like, is it like an ombre? Like I'm a little confused, but I kind of like it. It's $25. This one's $20, and there's another one right there. It's like a little tote that's also $20, but they're both fabric. Check out this Marc by Marc Jacobs bag, you guys. $13. I wish it was a crossbody. The shoulder bag though. I guess you can add a crossbody strap to it, but let's see what shoes we have here. I think those are Common Project shoes down there. Florsheim. Goodfellow. You guys remember when I got these shoes at the other Goodwill? I think they were only $7.99 though, so. And they were brand new. I think those look a little more worn. I was looking at the shoes to see if they have anything, but I don't think I saw. These like feelers. Yes. How cute is this? Pip Home. So cute. Ooh, that blanket. Ooh, a personal fridge from Chef Man. I think that's a Target piece. Oh my gosh, a very haunted camel. Ooh. Oh, and also a very haunted photo. Ooh. Oh, Edward Cullen and what's her name in the movie? I just know her name is Kristen Stewart. Bella. There you go. Bella. Oh my gosh, you guys, she's looking at me. Don't look. You guys, I'm looking through the boots and like shoes and stuff. 9 West. Oh, check out these. These are Michael Kors. Suede. Those are fun. 18 Agner. Oh, I think these are Uggs. And like a purple. I love how they wrote 2009 Christmas on there. Why? Makes no sense. You guys will not believe what I just found. I found this jacket and it's made of feathers. And they're real feathers. They're gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's like amazing. And it is $12.99. It doesn't have a brand or anything, but it's made in Taiwan. Look at that, the movement. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these Vince Camutos. They literally look brand new. They're $15. What are these? Kelsey Dagger? These are only $13. I'm like getting amazed by the shoes that they have here right now. What is this? NYLM? Okay guys, I literally waited until they brought out a cart to see what they're gonna bring out. There's this, unfortunately, fake Chanel. Yeah, it's super fake. Wish it was less fake. There's also this vintage Brahmin. Look how cute this is. Kind of really worn though. The handles have seen better days and the style is pretty vintage. There's also this really cute Kate Spade. I actually think I have one of these in the store right now. If I do, I'm not gonna get this. But this one is $30. Then over here, we have this Michael Kors, that's $20. The handles just need a little bit of a help, I think. Especially this back one. That's not too horrible. The inside's not too bad. Just a nice tote. How much is this? This one's $20. And then last but not least, we have, I think this is a Coach, I didn't even look at it yet. Okay, so this is a Coach bag, which is pretty cool because I've never seen one in this shape before. It's kind of like rounded and just needs a little bit of a conditioning and a re-dye and it's gonna be good to go. Like honestly, this looks pretty good and it's made in USA. So the leather feels fantastic. Just kidding you guys, it's sold, so I think I'm gonna get it. Also, to see all the other stores that I went to today, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when the videos do go up, because I went to a bunch of other places today too, and I don't want you guys to miss out on what I found. Guys, I got home, Eliza needed batteries for Thomas. You can see he ran out. Let's see if he can make it across. Oh, didn't make it. Baby, it didn't make it. Try the other one. Look at these two little kids right here. They're playing with their Thomas trains going nuts. In the meantime, we got some delicious chicken in the oven, looking good. And everyone's over here, they're watching Korean dramas.
This is called, this is a marble elevator.
A marble run, right?
Yeah, it's an elevator. With the elevator, look what happened.
Okay guys, so this is what I got Eliza for his birthday. It's super cool, except the kids are a little crazy. So you put the marble in, and then it brings it up. Then it goes in through there.
Wow. See? Goes through that. And then lands. See? And look at these marbles.
Zach, you're supposed to let it go all the way down, dude.
3, 2, 1.
They're like too impatient. Oh goodness.
Okay, bro.
Hey guys, okay, so now I'm in my room and I'm just gonna end the video here. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've just been like ending the videos like this like really quickly, but I am beat. Today was an awesome day. We had so much fun today at the thrift store. We found some really amazing stuff that I can't wait to share with all of you. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button to be notified when those new videos do go up, because they're gonna be going up throughout the week. One of them was actually gonna be up this morning, so if you want to check out that thrifting video, I found some great stuff. I love that store so much. And of course, Rare today, I love that place as well. It's one of my favorite stores ever, so I'm always like excited to go in there because I find some pretty awesome stuff sometimes. So don't count out those Goodwill boutiques. But what else I was gonna say, the kids, they're so funny. Like Eliza had just been loving all of the gifts that I got him, and I cannot believe like literally all the gifts that I got Eliza I got from the Goodwill. Like amazing, right? So I got him, gosh, he only opened 3 presents that I got him so far. I'm kind of like letting him, like, I don't want him to open all of them because then he'll just go crazy, so I'm letting him open like 1 a day. And he's like on his 3rd present. He didn't actually open, he didn't open anything new today, did he? No, nothing new today, but he's just been playing with the marble run, that Thomas train thing, which is his favorite, and then I gave him a little Paw Patrol car as well, or I think it was a fire truck. So yeah, he still, I think I have like 3 or 4 more presents for him, so amazing. Like honestly, those toys are so expensive if you buy them full price at retail, and just finding them at the Goodwill was like so fortunate. Yeah, gosh, I love the Goodwill so much. But oh, you know what, I also have not done any questions and thrift finds of the day, so we're gonna do that. Oh, here we go. Okay. Jean Henry says, thanks John for making appearance on your brother's video. Also, Hadrian, love your awesome finds. Thank you so much, Jean. And I know John, I feel like now that he's done with school, he's like a little bit more laid back. I feel like he was a little bit like uptight when he was in school. I think he was like a little stressed out, but he is all done. He is graduating. I think a couple of you guys asked how John was doing in school. He's actually done. I know that school year isn't over, but he finished his last semester was winter. So now he's just like doing nothing until graduation, which is awesome. He's just like taking a little break, and it's well earned. John did amazing, so we're excited for him, and I can't wait to go to his graduation. It's gonna be so much fun. We have Sweet Pea for Life. Hi Hadrian, you would be so proud of me today. I thrifted like a savage. I got a Coach for $3, a pair of Michael Kors loafers, 2 pink tees, and a new pair of Sperry flats, all for under 17 bucks. Well, I am very proud of you, Sweet Pea. That is amazing. Congratulations on such awesome finds. And I think that's gonna be it for today's well, I didn't really answer a question, but shout outs and thrift finds. So again, if you guys want to be featured in an upcoming vlog, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love always hearing about your finds as well. And with that being said, I love you guys so much. See you guys all later. Bye! Alright, you guys, I found a couple shirts. I found this Adam at shirt, and I looked them up. They're pretty expensive. I also found this J. Crew long sleeve. And I found a Yeti cooler shirt. And then I found this Jurassic Park shirt for $2, which is kind of cute. Let me see what John thinks about these. John.